Hey everybody, this is Dr. Williams, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about logging into Canvas in case you don't already know how to do that. You need to start in your web browser, and you need to go to midland.edu, as it says right here. You need to then see current students and click on it, please. Then you should be seeing current students, the same tabs at the top, and a little bit different set of pictures and things down here. These will also remain the same throughout your web experience. Let's scroll down, please, to the Canvas button. All right, you should see the Canvas LMS page, which is what I'm seeing on my screen. Please scroll down with me to see that we will be using this green area mostly, but I need to go back up here and talk to you a little bit about these 4 paragraphs right here. This tells you when you can get into your Canvas, when you can get into your course, and a couple of other things that are very helpful to you. Please do not ignore these, particularly if you're a first-time user. Let's scroll down. Now, there are 2 types of students. There are MC-only students. If you enrolled in your courses through Midland College, whether you're in high school or in college. It doesn't matter if you don't go to school at Midland College. If you enrolled through MC, you're an MC student. If, however, you enrolled through the Virtual College of Texas, then you have to use these directions to log in. Once you understand the directions, then you need to scroll down to the link to the login page and click it. This has my information already filled in, of course, because this is my computer. You need to fill it in according to your instructions. There is a forgot password link here always, and there is a link to Canvas login instructions, so you should be able to get help. In addition, there's a little tiny help button down here. Do not despair. All right, if you log in successfully, you will see what I see on my screen, which is these colored rectangles with different courses in them. Mine are different from yours. You should have, however, as part of your screen, American Literature. If you will hover over that title, it says 19FA 16, American Literature 1, and it has my last name on it. That's our class. If you have a different one, it might be that you're not enrolled correctly if you intended to take my online American Lit. And there you have it, enrolling into Canvas and using it. Remember, too, that you have Canvas Student Connection. I suggest you use that as often as possible. One other thing that I need to show you is that on every margin of every page is this black bar. And at the bottom of that black bar will always be the help button. Feel free to use that as often as you need to. Have a good day. Always let me know how I can help via telephone, in person, or of course my email. Have a great day.